16, Don Mariano C. Veneracion, National High School, Veneracion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Reynaldo Mali. Troop S1, Sheila Jane Nokpo. Troop S2, Hannah Mary Payaw. Troop S3, Sofia Hornala. Troop S4, Mark Gideon Gutierrez. Major Leader, Aika Hernandez. DXMC Leader, Marian Solis. CDB Company Commander, Albert CDB Company EXO, Giancarlo Rosana. First Platoon Leader Boys, Gian Rivesa. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Ashley Canaco. Third Platoon Leader Boys, Emily Novella. School Head, Principal, Eva Evasco. CTV Mapping Facilitator, Regine Carl Dolor. Major Ed Coordinator, Ryan Kim Losoriago. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Katrina Banag. DXMC DLC Assistant Coordinator, Ernesto J.R. Garcia. Entry number 16, Don Mariano C. Veneracion, National High School, Veneracion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 16, Don Mariano C. Veneracion, National High School, Veneracion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Next entry, Partido Agro Industrial National High School, Mabalot-Balot, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Rosen Tala. Troop S1, Shadow May Enrique. Troop S2, Mayan Patingo. Troop S3, Jemsar Gonzalez. Troop S4, Lalin Alarcon. Major Leader, Mary Joy Sabularse. DXMC Leader, Noe Relora Jr. Mapay Company Commander, Miguel Henio. Mapay Company EXO, Soren Losena. Guidon Bearer, Norberto Bernal. First Platoon Leader Boys, Stephen Lawrence Padilla. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jessamine Lazaro. School Head, Principal, Amalia. CTV Mapay Facilitator, Maria Nina Englea. Sil Dominic Halyare. Major Ed Coordinator, Jerwil Daculio. DXM's DLC Coordinator, Michael Catley. Ira Francia, Elmer Argones. Emil Aboga, Arnold Gonzaga. Entry number 17, Partido Agro Industrial National High School, Mabalot-Balot, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 17, Partido Agro Industrial National High School, Mabalot-Balot, Tigaon, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge Sir Ryan Henry Rentoy, Department Head, LBO, and the 2025 Francia Festivity Executive Committee, Naga City, Marinaga Sir.
Next entry is entry number 18, Rodriguez National High School, Cadlan, Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, John Benedict Gavino. Troop S1, Alec Ardonia. Troop S2, Race Nicole Husay. Troop S3, Jodel Riano. Troop S4, Jarwin De Rosario Jr. Major Leader, Vanessa Cadenas. DXMC Leader, Leonard Vincent Recania. Mapay Company Commander, Vince Andre Luma. Mapay Company EXO, Janina Lorraine Casaol. First Platoon Leader Boys, J.R. Nunez. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Ellen Reginaldo. School Head, Principal, Nelson Espano. CTV MAPE Facilitator, Julio San Lorenzo. Majorage Coordinator, Angelita Quiniano. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Marvin Obanya. CTV MAPE Assistant Facilitator, Raymond Oco. Majorette Assistant Facilitator, Maria Cristina Villamor. Entry number 18, Rodriguez National High School, Catlan, Pili, Camarines School. Thank you very much. Entry number 18, Rodriguez National High School, Catlan, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 19, Buena Vista National High School, Buena Vista, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Ron Mark Zamudio. Troop S1, Maylani Belesta. Troop S2, Feli Joy Morcilla. Troop S3, Heidel Anthony Aringo. Troop S4, Eliza May Eliano. Majorette Leader, Mirna Primavera. DXMC Leader, Jovet Primavera. MAPE Company Commander, Joseph Oliveros. MAPE Company XO, and Brian Motil. First Platoon Leader Boys, Lawrence Consuta. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Geraldine de la Trinidad. School Head, Virchis, Annie Virchis. CTV DLC Coordinator, Emil Sacamon. Majorette Coordinator, Charlene Repullo. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Sherry Ann Odolio. MAPE Trainer, Leo Dexter Tipora. Entry number 19, Buena Vista National High School, Buena Vista, Tinambak, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. That was entry number 19 from Buena Vista National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 20. Nagali po sa Felix Plaza Street, Sabang, Naga City School of Arts and Trades. Troop Commander, John Paul Perez. Troop S1, Ira M. Benito. Troop S2, Lawrence MacLord R. Douglas. Troop S3, Erika May Borbe. Troop S4, Wendell de la Trinidad. Majorette Leader, Angel Rose C. Sapugay. DXMC Leader, Dean Kirby Agagad. MAPE Company Commander, Risa May E. Biron. MAPE Company XO, John Michael Candelaria. First Platoon Leader, MAPE Boy, Sed Renier de los Reyes. Second Platoon Leader, MAPE Girls, Angel Nares. School Head, Noel A. Perez. MAPE Facilitator, Emmanuel G. San Jose. Majorette Coordinator, Maria Zarina Robles. DXMC Coordinator, Eric N. Kulaway. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 20 from Naga City School of Arts and Trades. Thank you. Entry number 20 of Naga City School of Arts and Trades, Sabang, Naga City. Next one, ali po sa Tawod, Karamuan, Camarines Sur, Bonifacio D. Boribor Senior High School. Troop Commander, Red Jericho S.P. Versosa. Troop S1, Joseph P. Sarmiento. Troop S2, Tomas Daniel S.P. Marto. Troop S3, Mark Jess A. Camonias. Troop S4, Lemuel V. De La Torre. Major Leader, Christian Monjel V. Latang. DXNC Leader, Exetel A. Paro. MAPI Company Commander, Mark J. E. Huet. MAPI Company XO, Gian Frey D. Padua. First Platoon Leader, MAPI Boys, Mark Dominic S. Sagroso. Second Platoon Leader, MAPI Girls, Donna L. Lopez. School Head Principal, Dennis S. Corporal. MAPI Facilitator, Nathan Joseph Angelo T. Muhayo. Major Red Coordinator, Naisa P. Contrillas. DXNC Coordinator, DJ Lara. Arnie Von Reves, Assistant Facilitator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 1, Bonifacio D. Boribor Senior High School. Thank you. Entry number 21 from Bonifacio D. Boribor Senior High School of Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 22. Hali po sa Topaz Proper, Nava, Camarines Sur, St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School Incorporated. Troop Commander, Lee Daniel Toldanes. Troop S1, Angel Galliano. Troop S2, Francis Julius Lomani. Troop S3, Princess Elaine Formales. Troop S4, Crisaline Villagracia. Major Leader, Andrea Malota. DXNC Leader, Prince Edmond Aguila. MAPI Company Commander, Chris Lawrence Mendez. MAPI Company XO, Angel Ann Lorin. First Platoon Leader, MAPI Boys, James Paul Luzon. Second Platoon Leader, MAPI Girls, Loreline Fornaliza. School Head, Dr. Nelia F. Canet, MD. MAPI Facilitator, 2nd First Class, Edwin Barreta, PM, Reserve. Major Coordinator, Jezreel Duran, Crescel Marie Dolano. DXNC Coordinator, Dennis Toliman. John Del Gagliardi and Ryan D. Duran. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 22 from St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School Incorporated. Thank you. Entry number 22, St. Jude Agro-Industrial Secondary School of Nabua, Camarines Sur. Entry number 23, from Concepcion F. Lurin National High School, Sagrong, Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Jansen P. Oliver. Troop Iswan, Justin Florendo. Troop S2, Edward Sidutan. Troop S3, Jesus Pantaleon. Troop S4, Carl Fernan Espino. Majorette Leader, Janelle P. Oliver. DXMC Leader, John Lex Prial. MAPI Company Commander, Miko Sapinoso. MAPI Company XO, Altea Badilla. First Platoon Leader, MAPI Boys, John Wilfred Selina. Second Platoon Leader, MAPI Girls, Ashley Ariñabo. School Head, Nelson E. Bilano. MAPI Facilitator, Marian Q. Ponsalan. Major Coordinator, Jessica I. Mendoza. DXMC Coordinator, Lihazu Regalado. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 23 from Concepcion F. Lurin National High School, Apili, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 23 from Concepcion F. Loren National High School, Abril, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 24 from Laganak, Balatan, Camarines Sur, Laganak High School. Commander John Mark A. Abitan. Troop S1, Jaliane Ordes. Troop S2, Jeric Balwis. Troop S3, Richard Samar. Troop S4, Eric Abonita. Major Leader, Sherilyn B. Caporcos. DXMC Leader, John Ray S. Casano. MAPI Company Commander, Russell Serino. MAPI Company XO, John Lennon Sereno. MAPI Gidon Bearer, John Matthew Osina. 1st Baton Leader, Boys, Claudio Bores. 2nd Baton Leader, Girls, Angel Franz Baluis. School Head, Delia A. S. Saison. MAPI Facilitator, Salgel P. Zernal. Major Coordinator, John Carl Monedero. Assistant Major Coordinator, Sherry Grace Nolios. DXMC Coordinator, Carlos Pino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 24 from Laganak High School. Thank you. That was entry 24 from Laganak High School, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Entry number 25 from Kasugad National High School, Kasugad, Bulat, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, JC N. Nunez. Troop S1, Angelo B. Binego. Troop S2, Clarence D. Arevalo. Troop Jade Cedric B. Rito. Troop S4, John Andre Macho Olieres. Majorette Leader, Neos Maria Jesusa B. Bolo. DXMC Leader, Alexander M. Bermal. MAPI Company Commander, DJ L. Asanyes. MAPI Company XO, John Joseph O. Bunot. 1st Baton Leader, MAPI Boys, Jovan A. Ganalon. 2nd Baton Leader, MAPI Girls, Mariel B. Borjal. School Head, Rinan F. Lozon. MAPI Facilitator, Felix Aquino, Danilo Pagobo Jr., Joy Belleza. Major Coordinator, Queenie Disidan Anagin Nunez. DXMC Coordinator, Melo Dasper B. Blanquera. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 25 from Kasugad National High School, Bulat, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Ronald Aldrin V. Sabalio. Troop S1, John Arceo Rex. Troop S2, Charlene May Estrimos. Troop S3, Gino Simon Borja. Troop S4, Mark Johnbert Tumagan. Major Leader, Donna Marie Gordo. DXMC Leader, Jovinel Gacusana. MAPI Company Commander, Brain Johan Reginaldo. MAPI Company XO, Gerald Real. 4th Baton Leader, MAPI Boys, Joshua Larzina. 2nd Baton Leader, MAPI Girls, Christine Joy Manila. School Head, Mrs. Belin N. Adriatico. MAPI Facilitator, Mr. Mark Francis Bendo and Mr. Rafael S. Monponbanwa. Major Coordinator, Ms. Roma C. Perlado, Mr. Romel A. Blanca. DXMC Coordinator, Mr. Rique O. Maestrado and Mr. Adrian L. Barrios. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 26 from Governor Mariano A. E. Villaferte High School, Pili, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 26 from Governor Mariano E. Villafuerte High School of Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 27 from Vito National High School, Vito Seruma, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Lloyd Rubia. Troop S1 Franco D. Gonzalez. Troop S2 Ivan L. De Los Reyes. Troop S3 Joel D. Pagao. Troop S4 J. D. Romero. Majorette Leader Shaira B. Celeste. DXNC Leader Erica Jane Ceres. MAPI Company Commander Monique B. Bermejo. MAPI Company XO Aisa A. Cabizarano. First Platoon Leader Boys Jersey Q. Oliva. Second Platoon Leader MAPI Girls Lyra Postares. School Head Ariel R. Sueso. MAPI Facilitator Catherine Asania. Major Coordinator Mary Grace Alvin. And DXC Coordinator Melanie Diazon. Emma Salsa, Dennis Labrador, Joe Cochores, John Chris Pineda, Larry Tabaco, Assistant Facilitator Michelle Grace Arojano, Glenn Gayala, Sheila Marie Ocampo. Thank you. That was entry number 27 from Vito National High School of Simruma, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 28 from Sabang National High School, Sabang, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Majorette and DXC only. Majorette Leader Cheska Nicole B. Daniel and Band Leader Dane Michael B. Villarreal. School Head Maria Iluminada A. Puot. Majorette Coordinator Mary Ann Pedraza. Band Director Joseph Christian S. Marcelo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 28, Sabang National High School, Sabang, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 28, Sabang National High School of Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 29, Medroso Mendoza National High School, Binanuaanan, Pequeño, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Ronel and Arnoldo. Troop S1 John A. Marquez. Troop S2 Paul Hernani F. Rodriguez. Troop S3 Lemar B. Perez. Troop S4 Raymart M. Carion. Majorette Leader Richelle Ann M. Avila. DXNC Leader Nelson N. Mendoza Jr. MAPI Company Commander Vivian E. Romero. MAPI Company XO Nico B. Perez. First Platoon Leader MAPI Boys Josel B. Paglinawan. Second Platoon Leader Girls Sailin O. Bahar. School Head Gregoria V. Olayon. MAPI Facilitator Lailani O. Bugok. Major Coordinator Francisca Marie Arivalo and DXNC Coordinator Darren Azoro. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 29 from Medroso Mendoza National High School at Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 29, Medroso Mendoza National High School of Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 30 of Santiago Integrated School, Santiago, Iriga City. Troop Commander Ashley O. Alvar. Troop S1 Nino C. Yaldoa. Troop S2 John Paul N. Lipnica. Troop S3 Edito R. Manarif. Troop S4 John Paul S. Vargas. Majorette Leader Maria Joseph D.L. Labios. DXMC Leader Corbien Rinier I. Sete. MAPI Company Commander John Francisco G. Masotes. MAPI Company XO Daniel D. Sandrino. First Platoon Leader MAPI Boys Jolan N. Isaac. Second Platoon Leader MAPI Girls Catherine N. Canyeva. School Head Maricel L. Enteya. MAPI Facilitator Rica M. Lizardo. Majorettes Coordinator JP.O. Montañez. DXMC Coordinator John Vincent O. Rodas. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 30, Santiago Integrated School of Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 30 from Santiago Integrated School of Iriga City. Next entry number 31, DLC and Majorettes only from Santa Cruz National High School, Naga City. Majorette Leader Celine Cassandra Y. Lotivio. DXMC Leader John Harvey O. Corral. DXMC Coordinator Patricia Monique Espera and John Ray B. Mangolonso. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 31 from Santa Cruz National High School, Naga City.
Thank you very much, Santa Cruz National High School, Naga City.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Maricel L. Entia, Principal 1, Santiago Integrated School. Likewise, Mr. Contrario Motor, School Principal of Holy Trinity College, Batuca, Magnisur. And Dennis S. Corporal, School Head, Bonifacio D. Bolibor Senior High School.
Next entry number 32, Villazar National High School, North Camarines Sur. Troop Commander Cedric Baliwas. Troop S1 Justine Rubio. Troop S2 Arnold Abiada. Troop S3 John Amata. Troop S4 Joshua Mojares. Majorette Leader Kimberly Chloe Vichoso. DXMC Leader Kevin Timana. MAPE Company Commander Danica Mojares. MAPE Company XO Sara Albania. First Platoon Leader Boys Warren Benitez. Second Platoon Leader Girls Elaine Hismundo. School Head Principal Geraldine Abergos. Doctor of Education CTP MAPE Facilitator Regine Portasio. Majorettes Coordinator Ronel Carilla and Auntie May Abakita. DXMC DLC Coordinator Mary Grace Cañada and Regine Portasio. Carmela Otgalon, MAPE Department Head. Entry number 32, Villazar National High School, North Villazar. Thank you very much. Entry number 32, Villazar National High School, North Villazar, Sipocot, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Potot, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Tristan Duane Opes. Troop S1, Jerica May Del Campo. Troop S2, Canas. Troop S3, Jamela Rodriguez. Troop S4, Jean Lee Arimado. Major Leader, Roan de los Santos. DXMC Leader, Jambert Peguro. MAPE Company Commander, Mark Kevin Manzano. MAPE Company XO, Joshua Ian San Isidro. First Platoon Leader Boys, Jonathan Brosas. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jelly Ann Salvino. School Head, Francia Nilo. CTV MAPE Facilitator, Jonathan Recto. Major X Coordinator, Darlene Hernandez. DXMC DLC Coordinator, City Lirio. Marie France Recreo, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Potot, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Potot, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Danny Piraman. Troop S1, Christian Lawrence Gadon. Troop S2, Prince John. Troop S3, Harvey Peñola. Troop S4, Lionel Solano. Major Leader, Elisa Lane Delfino. DXMC Leader, Jake Absete. MAPE Company Commander, Aldrin Laureta. MAPE Company XO, John Kevin Balatukan. First Platoon Leader Boys, Fred Yancy Mancera. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Richard May Rimando. School Head, Ronald Enciso. MAPE Unit Facilitator, Richard Guadalupe. Assistant MAPE Facilitator, Marlene Villarama. Majorettes Coordinator, Jose Bombasas Jr. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Jogri Aguilar. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
Akin ko yan.
Thank you very much. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Marimen N. Sagala, Principal 1, Santa Justina National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 35, Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, J. Lord Lumbis. Troop S1, John Vincent Aliasor. Troop S2, John Denver Albaniel. Troop S3, Jessa Ribuya. Troop S4, Daryl San Juan. Major Leader, Hyacinth Lay Baranda. DXMC Leader, Nico Shane Perez. CTB Company Commander, John Carlos Santo Domingo. CTB Company XO, Jason Kenji Carion. First Platoon Leader Boys, Aaron James Lumano. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Shanrayan Zamudio. Principal, Lourdes Nopre. CTB MAPE Facilitator, Beverly Salvadora. Majors Coordinator, Aldrin Del Rosario. DLC Coordinator, Elcano. Entry number 35, PD, Capital College, Incorporated, San Isidro, PD, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 35. San Isidro PD, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 36. Bicol Central Academy. Uno, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff. Troop Commander, John Robert Crispino. Troop S1 Personnel Officer, Jemar Tapalya. Troop S2 Intelligence Officer, Timothy Moratalia. Troop S3, Princess Maria Elaine Arisio. Troop S4, Sian MS Rafael Bambilia. Major Leader, Shane Justine Pisigan. DXMC Leader, John Joshua Hoben. MAPI Company Commander, John Russell Moscoso. MAPI Company XO, Nathaniel Nolias. First Platoon Leader, Boys John Jobert Hanwario. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Bernice Milina Sabio. School Head, Alexander James D. Hauchan. CTP MAPI Facilitator, Sandy Nosedal. Majors Coordinator, Kevin Lompero. DXN CDLC Coordinator, Jennifer Papricante. Mark Ronin David, Major Trainer. Raymond De La Cruz, DLC Trainer. Ken Howell Santelisas, Assistant Commandant. Entry number 36. Bicol Central Academy, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 36, Bicol Central Academy, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, Daniel A. Bestro, Troop Commander. May B. Paraan, Troop S1, Cholo C, Troop S2. David Bond, Troop S3. Troop S4, Jason Barlizo. Major Leader, Catherine Serrado. DXMC Leader, Lim Harty San Juan. MAPI Company Commander, Jason Ray Mostar. MAPI Company XO, Zay Barlizo. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Manny Barlizo. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Hanakim Betchaida. School Head, Salvi Bombon. CTP MAPI Facilitator, Alan M. Villa. Major Coordinator, Sheila Paular. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Bank Director, Jepoy Floriano. Sheila Marie Moico, MAPI Coordinator. Edgar Priela, MAPI Trainer. Jeffrey Bordarayas, Major Trainer. Mark David Bigeha, DLC Trainer. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 30, Lupaon National High School, Dalupaon, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, Micaela Barameda, Troop Commander. Junjun Escalona, Troop S1. Arzel Kium, Troop S2. Renz Charlie Dino, Troop SP. Justin Misolas, Troop S4. Major Leader Scarlett Nicole Hona. DXMC Leader Zaijan Briggs Hona. MAPI Company Commander Frank Bunyon. MAPI Company EXO Angelbert Istaria. First Platoon Leader Boys John Kennedy Dinla. Second Platoon Leader Girls Ilaika Barameda. School Head Bayani Belga. CTP MAPI Facilitator Ramon Bergantin. Majors Coordinator Maria Gracia Kyung. DXMC DLC Coordinator Band Director Rojard Borja. Nino Hamin Azanyes, Assistant MAPI Facilitator. Franzem Marikium, Assistant Major Coordinator. Rosami Liberato, Assistant DXMC DLC Coordinator. N3, number 38, Dalupao National High School.